10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. The meat was very tender and tasty. Tender meat in 5 minutes. Chinese secret to tenderizing the toughest meat. Let's start by cutting 500 grams of meat. It can be any meat you like. Don't forget to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. Place the meat in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to mix the bicarbonate well with the meat so that it combines well. I'll put the lid on and let it rest for 30 minutes. In another container, add a tablespoon of honey, 3 crushed garlic cloves, a teaspoon of black pepper, Calabrian pepper to taste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and just mix the sauce very well. This recipe will surprise you with how tender and delicious it is. Let's cover the meat with water and then remove the water. Let me know if you like to receive meat or chicken recipes. Place the meat on a paper towel and pat dry. This will remove the excess water. Add a little olive oil to a frying pan. We can now add the meat and let it fry. I'm going to cut up half a yellow bell pepper. Then half a red bell pepper. Don't forget to let me know how you rate this recipe at the end of this video, from 0 to 10. That way I'll know how much you liked this recipe. After frying the meat, remove it from the pan. Add a tablespoon of butter, half a chopped onion. Sauté for about 2 minutes. Add the peppers to the onion. Sauté for another 1 minute. Now we can add the meat. Add the sauce we prepared. Mix everything together. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. The meat was very tender and tasty. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.